In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to add social media links to your Mailchimp campaigns. This simple process can give your emails a professional touch and drive more engagement across your social platforms. Stick around until the end, because we'll also show you how to take full advantage of an extended free trial of Mailchimp with our exclusive bonuses. So, let's jump right into it. First off, make sure you're logged into your Mailchimp account and have a campaign ready. If you don't have a campaign yet, just create a new one and get started. Once your campaign is open, click on the Edit Design button. Next, head over to the Content section where you want your social media links to appear. This is usually in the footer or anywhere you think fits your layout best. Drag and drop the social follow content block into your email. Now, you'll notice that Mailchimp provides a default list of social media icons. But what if you want to add more or adjust which ones are visible? It's easy. Just click on the Edit button within the block and a new menu will open. Here you can add or remove any social media networks like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, or even custom ones if you need. Just paste the URL to your profile and the icon will update automatically. Next thing, if you want to customize the appearance of the icons to match your brand or email style, you can adjust their size, shape, and spacing directly within the editor. Just click on the Design tab in the Settings menu and start customizing until everything looks perfect. This gives you full control over how the social icons blend into the overall design of your email. The fourth thing to keep in mind is testing. Before sending your campaign out to your entire list, it's crucial to test how your social media links look and work. Send yourself a test email and click on the icons to make sure they link correctly to your social profiles. Testing ensures everything works smoothly and that your audience will have a seamless experience. Finally, after your social media links are set and your design is perfect, don't forget to include a clear call to action around your social media. Whether it's encouraging subscribers to follow you for updates or share your email with their networks, this can be a game changer for growing your online presence. Just a quick reminder, if you're not already using Mailchimp, you can use this software completely free from the first link below. Plus, with our exclusive bonuses, you'll get access to additional features that will make your campaigns even more powerful. That's it for how to add social media links to Mailchimp campaigns. Simple, right? By following these steps, you'll be able to enhance your campaigns and boost your engagement across all your social platforms. And don't forget, check out the link below for an extended free trial of Mailchimp and some amazing bonuses. Thanks for watching!